Yo, what it is, Officer Dan. Just doing a quick checkup on the Seat Time Z. Got a couple of things in today. Gonna go over installing the steering wheel that you can see there. I took out the window regulator motor and tried to do all the fixes that I found online, where you take this cover off and clean off all the contacts, and it worked one time and then quit working again. So I'm just gonna have to order a new one of these. I found them shipped on Amazon for like 39 bucks. Apparently pretty known issue with these cars, so that's sick. Also installing a GKTECH steering wheel spacer so I can get my hands off of the turn signals and whatnot. Time to get rid of this crappy eBay steering wheel and replace it with a Grip Royal. As you can see, I'm also knee deep in trying to install a new window regulator motor because this piece of junk broke. And I tried to do all the fixes online. That didn't work. So we're gonna move on and install a new steering wheel. Now, strangely enough, the first nice steering wheel I ever had was a Grip Royal way back in the day. It was the exact same color, chrome and neon yellow. Now we have a wheel that doesn't bend when you pull on it. Great. All right, so I got the wheel installed, feels good. I don't like how close my hands are to these, so I'm gonna follow my advice again, and I am going to toss on a GKTECH steering wheel spacer. We got these in stock. We don't sell many of them, but they're coming useful for situations like this where you kind of want the steering wheel to be out just a little bit. We got 25 mil and 50 mil. So let's toss this bad boy on. And off she goes. Comes with all the hardware too, so bonus. Alright, this is probably one of the easiest installs that I've ever done. And that's it. Now we got plenty of space in between here. Not gonna hit these anymore. Ooh. Fresh Grip Royal steering wheel installed. GKTECH 25mm steering wheel spacer installed. Now I just need to wait on my door regulator and a few other things. We're gonna get this thing rocking and rolling for our event on the 12th. All right, so I also talked about not using aluminum lug nuts, which is what this car came with. And let me show you what happened the first time I actually tried to take one of these front ones off.
Where's the turbo nut?
Turbo's nuts? Yeah. You sold a turbo's nut? Right there in front of you. Down, bottom. Yep. As you can see, this entire thing is just stripped out. I used it once and it is just flat inside there. So these are useless for drifting. So we're also gonna be replacing these with steel GKTECH nuts. Now I've used these on my Formula D car since 2014 and I've been on the same set of these. They're only 22 bucks, so pick yourself up a set and enjoy the peace of mind. I was gonna do the window regulator install, but they sent me the wrong one and the plug was broken anyway, so double whammy on that one. Gonna have to wait for that one to come in. In the meantime, I'm also gonna do some modifications to the fire extinguisher mount that I had. Thanks Paco for that one. I'm also gonna add a 5th point to that harness that's in there. I just wanted to get those old ones out and something that actually stays solid in. So we're gonna get all that done in the next video on the Seat Time 350Z. Later, dudes.